Hey guys, let's see how to fill in the Chronometer Rate Log Book. The chronometer is a timepiece with a nearly constant rate. It is used for making accurate estimations of the correct time in the absence of time reference signals, as available from radio broadcast services or satellite systems. Let's start with the first day of the month. For example, enter the date, September 1st, then enter the correct time taken from GPS or radio broadcast services. Let that be 12 hours 0 minutes and 0 seconds. Then enter the chronometer time, 12 hours 0 minutes and 2 seconds. In the remarks you can write that chronometer is started and set. The next day, check the chronometer at the same time. The correct time is 12 hours 0 minutes and 0 seconds. Then enter the chronometer time, 12 hours 0 minutes and 3 seconds. The chronometer error is expressed to an accuracy of 1 second and is found by using the formula chronometer error equals chronometer time minus correct time. Here the chronometer time is 3 seconds later than GMT. You can write in the remarks that it is fast. Chronometer rate is determined by comparing errors obtained several days apart and dividing the difference by the number of days between readings. Here, for the daily rate, 3 seconds minus 2 seconds is divided by 1 day. You get plus 1 second. In the remarks you can write that it is gaining. Suppose the next day the chronometer shows 11 hours 59 minutes and 59 seconds. The chronometer's error will be minus 1 second, and you can write in the remarks that it is slow. Chronometer rate equals minus 1 second minus 3 seconds, and we'll get minus 4 seconds, and in the remarks you can write that it is losing. At the end of the month, you should calculate the average daily rate, which is found by using the formula error on last day observed minus error on first day observed, divided by date of last observation minus date of first observation. For example, on the 30th of September the chronometer time is 12 hours 0 minutes 38 seconds. Then we get 36 seconds divided by 29 days, and equal to 1.24 seconds. Modern electrical quartz crystal-based chronometers may have a rate better than 0.010 seconds per day. In this case, the rate should nevertheless be recorded with the appropriate precision and check for unexpected changes, which may indicate a deterioration of battery capacity or some other need for service. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next videos.